go sit down with Daddy, honey, if you want to. The kids are going in to see the Budgies. They're cute. Here they go. This is not my kind of room. I'm not an aviary kind of person. Oh, look, they get right in your hands. Look at that. That's too cute. Go down where the kids are. I'm going to do this upward.
Hey there. You better exit, kiddo, because we have to go do your meet and greet.
Oh, got it.
Want to come and see Trevor?
You guys, look at this. He's got food. He's got the birdies right here. Look at this.
He's eating his shirt.
Look at how cute is that. Oh my God, how cute.
See him back here?
Oh, that's so cute. He's got him on his shoulder. Yeah, I think so.
Sit on my knee.
Wait, don't forget we gotta feed the emus too.
You gotta sit. You gotta sit. The lady doesn't want you standing.
Cute. Look at how adorable. He's got him on his shoulder, Becky. Look behind him. How cute that is. That is so adorable. They are so pretty. Oh my God! Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there, please. Oh my God, that is so cute. Wyatt's always been a bird man. That's so cute, he's eating it.
I got birdies on my
Oh my God, is that adorable? He's gone. That was so cute. I know, but we only have. That's so nice. Thank you.
Oh, see the kids in there?
You guys, I'm coming in. Hold my hat, please. I'm going in. Okay, I'm in here. Oh, look at that! You got one! You got one! Oh my God, he's so cute. Look at that, you guys. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my God, this is adorable.
He's landing on my knee.
Great photo ops. Look at this.
He nibbled off my finger. Hi there. You want to hold it? You want to try?
No.
They're adorable.
I'm not a bird person. It's therapy. Amazing that I'm actually in here.
They look like little wind-up toys, so they just
do.
jiggle.
You guys have to know that it's pretty amazing I'm in here. I'm not a bird person.
Hi there. So nice of that guy.
That was really nice. Look at him. Oh! I just felt that wind by my head. Why, you got one?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so cute. I gotta get closer. Oh my God, this is so cute.
There you go.
Oh, I can't seem to get a picture from the front of you guys doing this. Becky, let me get in the front of you, because I can't get your face. Careful where you step, they're so tiny.
Hi there. Look, they're all so beautiful.
I know, and also different. Uh-oh, poop on the arm. Don't touch that. Yuck. Yucky, yucky, yucky. There's a lot of feathers floating around, too.
Oh, he's so
So
soft.
cute.
You gotta like get him out of here and then you. Oh,
Watch where you step. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, is that adorable?
Hey, little guy. Look at all them waddling on the floor. I love it.
They all got scared. Look at this. He's so cute. Oh my god, what a great photo ops this is. Look at this. This is so awesome. Look at that. Watch out, what comes off the back end. Hang on. Becky, get a little closer. I'm up and down here. I only have 2 gig left. I don't believe it. I've burned through 16 gig already.
There you go.
I gotta get some of Becky doing this because I got a lot of Wyatt. Here we go. Go ahead. He's moving away.
I love how loud you scream now.
Oh, Becky's got one. Yay, so cute. Oh my god, he's adorable.
Owen from
Okay.
Jurassic World, so cute. Oh, hi there.
Oh, he's so cute. Where's his face? I don't know if I'm even. Oh! Felt something blow. Did something just land on you?
Did you see his little face?
Yeah.
Oh, he just hopped on your shoe.
He's on my shoe? I just felt something blow wind at my head.
I'm not in a food
He's so cute. Get one on your hand again.
I'm trying.
Oh, look how pretty they are. Look how blue.
They look like candy.
They do. Are these budgies?
I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna use up my whole thing here. I better. Oh God, he's awesome!
He's eating my finger.
Look at how cute he is.
Are you part Disney princess?
No, I'm a raptor. He's on my finger.
That's so cool. I gotta get one of. Okay, it's my camera. Okay, this is like so not my character. I'm not a bird person. I'm in an aviary.
Oh, he's
And
eating
these
my
birds
finger
are so
again.
cute, and the kids are feeding them.
Oh,
But this is
right
like
above your head.
really, I'm like stepping outside of my fear level here. I'm not a bird person.
He's really going for it. That guy just swung around to get some.
Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. they keep flying by my head. It's freaking me out.
They think that you're a bird's nest.
Yeah, I think so. I should put my fish hat on. Oh my god, look at this. Look at how much. Wow. He's got a lot of birds on him. Oh!
You're a pirate now.
Salty old sea dog. You're supposed to say swine bird like Inspector Clouseau.
Like you think that their claws would be.
Make sure that you wash the test for 20 seconds to get all the bird dookiness off. And this guy is right here, right behind us. His name is Lester. Chester. He is a dog eater. He's actually eaten dogs, which is scary. And they put him here, and now he doesn't eat dogs anymore. Huge.